Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this all drugstore eyebrow routine. So back when I was about 19 or 18, I was just figuring out how to do my eyebrows. As you can see, I have 0 eyebrows. Thanks, Mom. That was something I was not handed down to me, but that's okay because now we have ways of putting them on. So again, I'm just going to be showing you guys this all drugstore eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoy. For those who cannot afford high-end products, you do not need Anastasia Beverly Hills to get some snatched brows, to get some fleeky brows, okay? You can use over-the-counter products that are very inexpensive. For example, like the products I'm going to be showing you are about $10 or less. So my high schoolers, my college girls, I got you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So I don't do that whole connect the eyebrow thing, and my eyebrows look more like sisters and they do identical twins, and that's exactly how your brows are supposed to look because nothing in the body is symmetrical. So there's no point in me trying to find symmetry in my body when God didn't make it like that, you know? So don't kill yourself over trying to make your eyebrows the same. I mean, one shouldn't be chunkier than the other, but I'm just talking about like the exact shape, you know? So yeah, this is my favorite spoolie ever. This came with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I don't have the pencil part anymore, but this spoolie is like worn in and it gives me the best kind of blend ever that I really can't get with other spoolies. And I also see that, I don't know, like I don't think I'm seeing it anymore, but I used to see how girls used to like purposely connect their eyebrows. I didn't purposely connect them. Just now, it's just when I was blending them out, then they ended up turning like this, you know? So that's that. So, I'm going to grab my favorite concealer brush. I used to use a flat one, so I used to use this one. I don't use that anymore. I prefer to use the Morphe 224, which looks like this, and I also cut my crease with it. And also I use this fluffy Morphe brush, not blush. And this is a Morphe i7 III, and I just like to blend, I like to blend the concealer out with this brush. What I use to carve out my eyebrows is the Black Opal foundation stick. And I will list the color in the description. I use a Black Opal foundation stick in the color Truly Topaz. So I will put all that in the description bar below. I'm gonna warm the product on the back of my hand. I get a good amount of product on the back of my hand. And that's it. So take some of this concealer. I start with the bottom brow first. You guys should have seen how I used to do my eyebrows like when I first learned about it. So I used to sorry guys, it's hard to talk when I'm doing this. I used to get a concealer from the you know, like a pharmacy, like a CVS or something like that. And mind you, back then they really wasn't big on like color inclusion. Child, the damn concealer was so many shades lighter than me, and I literally would walk around with the halo eyebrow. And not only that, the concealer would start separating. And yeah, I'd be in class looking like an angel with my eyebrows, because literally it'd be so highlighted, like you would see exactly where I carved them out. And then I learned to pick my own, you know, color that matched my complexion better, and I started dipping into like MAC and things like that. So anyways, so what you want to do is just highlight underneath the brow, so carefully, and so you can just clean up underneath there. That's the whole purpose. And you want to pick either the same exact shade concealer as you, or one that's a little lighter, depending on what you're going for exactly. What I do to highlight the top is I take a little bit of my foundation that I'm going to be wearing for that day, and I apply it. I use it. So what I'll use today is one of my favorite foundations. It's the Infallible True Matte in 112 Cocoa. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and we'll go ahead and start mixing that up. And I kind of mix it like I'm an artist. I just kind of go like this with it, back and forth, so that I can kind of blend the two colors together. I don't just go in with the same color foundation on the top. I kind of like to blend the concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this carefully here for you guys. Let's come on a little bit over here. And I'm not really gonna worry about blending with this brush because I have the other brush that I just showed you guys. Oh God, tired as hell, guys. And I make sure that the tail ends right at the corner of my eye. I really don't need the tail to be going all the way down to here. Like, that's not sexy, that's not cute. Please don't do that. And I'm gonna go in just like this because I can't with the unibrow anymore in the middle of my face. Trust and believe this will be blended out. And the way that I decide where to cut is I go on the edge of my nose, right there, and right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. I usually try to blend after I do the rest of my face, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna start blending now. This brush is A1, guys. If you didn't catch the name, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below. Look at these eyebrows, like, can't mess with me with these eyebrows. I try to put my eyebrows on every time I need to make an important decision because I need you to see the facial expression. I need you to see me like this. You know what I mean? I need you to see like every eyebrow movement. If we about to go into like some sort of like business negotiation, something like that, like you gonna need to see everything. Okay, so I take my handy dandy favorite spoolie ever that's worn in, and I start blending out the front. And if at any point I see that it's acting up, I go back with this. Because this already has product in it, right? So, there you go. Keep blending this off for you guys. This is the only eyebrow tutorial you need. Look at that.